Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeoluwa, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell for more videos and for other videos that have to do with hair. I did a video on tools that you need, easy to find tools that you already have at home that you can use to start up your own your natural African hair. And there are a few more tools I didn't remember to mention, so I'm now doing a video on that. And number one is your old t-shirts. Now, dig out your old t-shirts, wash them, make sure they're clean, and use them as hair wrap every time you wash your hair. What it does is that it absorbs the water, the liquid in your hair, but keeps your hair soft. So just wrap it and leave it at that, like that, for as long as possible. Then you remove it anytime you're ready, and then it will be easier to comb because it's like it sort of soaks the hair and the water as much as mop up excess water. Then another tool you need that you may not like very much but is necessary is a pair of scissors. Now you cannot go throughout the house and not find a pair of scissors. Now what's your scissors for? When you notice that your hair is shedding a lot, like you comb your hair and you notice that a lot of hair comes out, then it's time to trim your hair. What you can do is just take your hair and try to do a twist of your hair, or try to plait it, like put it in three places and twist it around. Then at the tip, the thinnest part of the hair, cut that place, the part between where your hair is thick and it starts to become thin, then cut it, leaving the thick part of your hair. That should be like about 1 inch thereabout. After that, you notice that, and then you style your hair as you want, whether you want to braid it or twist it and twist and talk, or braid and talk, however it is you want to do it. You notice that after that, when you comb your hair, it wouldn't shed as much as it did the last time. So you lose more hair when you just let it be without cutting it. So when you notice that you're losing more hair when you're combing it, it's time for a trim. And you notice that at the end of the day, it's just a once in a month affair. So those are the two more tools that you need to ease your journey into the natural African hair. Um, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Click on the notification bell for updates. So stay safe, stay healthy. Shalom.